A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade.
All right, everyone. Today's court hearings are nothing short of intense. Things get a little unbelievable in this first case, where a man refuses to identify as a person and instead insists he's some kind of entity. Naturally, the judge isn't having it hand. His response says it all. Courts deal with real individuals, so this kind of argument just doesn't hold up. Let us know in the comments what you think about this bizarre moment. And if you're enjoying these kinds of courtroom clips, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, please place your full name on the record.
Nathan Daniel Lucas, a living man.
A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir. Not an etymology of the courts and the syntax grammar. No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade. All right. So are you interested in a lawyer representing you, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you interested in even getting a driver's license?
No, sir.
Are you interested in an offer at all?
No, sir.
Set the matter for trial.
Well, I intend to plead in the form of a demurrer, such that I do not acquiesce to quasi-jurisdiction.
Okay.
Because that issue is to be brought up in my pleadings and filed with a court.
I didn't see any pleadings filed with the court. Do we have anything?
I said that is an issue to be brought up, my pleadings to be briefed and filed with a court.
Well, you should have done that. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Hannah here. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, sir. Give you a $0 bond, and I'll set a trial date for November the 14th, 2024. Or if you want a pre-trial date to file some pleadings, I can set that for October 21st, 2024. Which one would you like?
You could repeat that, sir.
Pre-trial date, if you want to file some motions, pre-trial date will be October the 21st, 2024. Or
that will be fine.
Just set it that you want that date?
October 24th, 2024?
October 21st.
21st.
2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Yes, sir. And just for the record, I did not enter in no plea. I don't plead.
All right. Well, I'm entering in for you. All right. Have a good day, sir. I'll see you back October 21st, 2024, God willing. All right.
Likewise.
Well, I really enjoy watching this judge in action. His dry humor is spotting. It's honestly the perfect way to handle these sovereign citizen cases. You can actually see these folks start to fall apart when the judge calmly turns their arguments back on them. It's both sharp and entertaining. I'll be sharing the second half of this hearing tomorrow, and trust me, it only gets more unbelievable. But for now, we've got another case to watch. This one might be even more outrageous. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and let's get into it.
What's your name, sir?
I am Moore.
Moore?
Special representation. I'm asking you.
Your Honor, his name is Tyrese Breland.
Breland?
That's not my name.
Oh, Breland.
That's not my name. I am Moore. I'm here on special representation.
Same as last defendant, Your Honor.
My Honor, I'm asking.
Okay.
What is your status and what is your name? I'd like to know your name. I'd like to know your status. Of everyone in the courtroom, I would like to know what is your nationality and what is your
deputy.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know your nationality.
He has charges in jots and he has a paper charge. Let me see if they're the same warrant. And they're different warrant numbers. Okay. So I guess I do both sets. Let me see when these are.
Know your nationality. I would like to know if you're a U.S. citizen of the United States. And so what is your status? You a US citizen of the United States?
All right, hold on one moment, sir. Let me review the warrant.
Asking you for your status and the status of everyone in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know the nationality. I would like to know, are you a US citizen? Once again, my honor,
Is he deputy?
status
Say it
of
again, Your
everyone
Honor.
in the
Is
courtroom.
he injured? Is that why why is he in a wheelchair?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know the status of everybody in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know your nationality. I would like to know are you a US citizen?
Deputy, do you believe that this gentleman is mental health, or do you think it's just a sovereign citizen
Can you
thing?
provide me with the information?
Both.
Honestly, can't tell if this man is pretending to be unwell for sympathy in court or if he's genuinely confused. It might be a bit of both. As the deputy suggested, his claim that his name is simply Moore doesn't help his case at all. Does he really believe the judge will just give up and let him walk out? It's baffling. Personally, I think judges should shut these kinds of hearings down the moment things start heading in this direction. Or at least hold people accountable when it's clearly not sincere. At this point, he's wasting everyone's time and making a mockery of the process. What do you think? Should judges be tougher on behavior like this? Let's get back to the hearing.
Can you provide me with the information?
All right, so I'm going to give you your charges.
Charges for what? Are you a US citizen? Are you a US citizen? My honor, are you a US citizen?
Sir, be quiet.
Are you a US
Yo.
citizen?
I said
Said
be
stop.
quiet.
Are you
Be
a
quiet.
US citizen? What is your name? What is your status? What is the status
Yo,
of everyone in the
chill.
courtroom? That's what I'm asking.
All right, so y'all just go ahead and take him back. I'll just go ahead and put the bond. Y'all take him.
Feet up.
Asking
Move your
for
feet.
the court to be a jurisdiction of the
Hey,
court.
you might want to chill
Court
out.
to be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court. Challenge the jurisdiction of the court because I am not who they say they are. I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
No.
Everything is challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
Hey, let me get two. Which one's the rest of
Let them know I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
After that last little scene he just pulled, I'm convinced this dude is definitely mentally ill, like there's the usual sovereign citizens who play dumb and spout. Nonsense, but this guy is just on a whole nother level. It's almost like he's auditioning for some kind of bad reality show, I mean. How do you even argue with someone who doesn't believe basic rules of law apply to them? I mean, this judge also just has the patience of a saint for not just slamming the gavel and yelling at him. And honestly, I feel like these Zoom court hearings are a total win for these sovereign citizens. They can just talk over the judge ran about their mad-up laws and just avoid the normal courtroom. Vibes that would probably make them behave a little better. I don't understand how they can just say they don't consent to the laws like they don't apply to them, like these people think if they just get pulled over for a speeding ticket. And say that they don't consent to the ticket, that they won't get the ticket. It's just laughable. These fake legal theories have been debunked over and over, but somehow they just keep doubling down like it's going to work one day anyways, guys. I'm going to wrap it up there. I will be posting the second half of that first clip later on tomorrow. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the Zoom court hearings, because I honestly feel like the courts are way too lenient over the Zoom calls. And also let me know if you guys think these guys are playing crazy or if they're just actually mentally ill. And if you guys enjoy content like this and want to see more, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take